In this video, I will show you which fuses to check if your Jeep Compass power outlets or a cigarette lighter are not working. So, let's get right to it without wasting any more time. 2007 to 2016 Jeep Compass. In this generation, you can find the power outlet fuse in the front hood fuse box. So here are the fuses that you need to check. There are the 3 fuses that you're going to want to check. They are fuse number 11 for the cigarette lighter, fuse number 12 for the 115-volt power inverter, and the last is fuse number 13 for the rear power outlet. Inspect the fuse for any signs of damage, such as a broken filament or discoloration. If you find any damage, it's time to replace the fuse. 2017 to 2023 Jeep Compass. In the second generation of Jeep Compass, you need to check 5 fuses in the 3 locations of the fuse block. Now, the first fuse block is in the front hood. So here are the fuses. There is a yellow 20-amp fuse for the cigarette lighter in fuse number F20. There is also a yellow 20-amp fuse for the rear cargo outlet. You can switch the fuse in fuse spot number F18 if you want the rear outlet ignition powered, or in fuse number F30 if you want the rear outlet battery powered. Next, the second fuse block is located in the front left cabin. If the car has left-hand steering, that means it is under the steering wheel. And if your car is right-hand steering, the fuse block is located behind the glove box. It's a little difficult to access because you have to dismantle the dash panel. So here's the fuse. There is a fuse responsible for the power outlet in fuse spot number F94. If the fuse is blown, take the new fuse and insert it into the same slot where the old one was. Ensure it has the correct amperage rating, as using the wrong one can lead to electrical issues. The last fuse block is located in the trunk. To access it, remove the access door from the left rear panel of the rear cargo area. So here is the fuse that you need to check. You'll find the power inverter fuse in the F1 position there. It is a 30-amp fuse in green color. Carefully remove the fuse using a fuse puller or a pair of pliers. Make sure to do this with the ignition turned off. So there you go. I hope this video proves helpful for you in troubleshooting the power outlet on your Jeep Compass. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.